A block is kept on the floor of an elevator. The elevator starts descending with acceleration 12 meters per second square. Find the displacement of the block during first 0.2 seconds after the start. Okay, so we have an elevator which is going down with acceleration, descending with acceleration 12 meters per second square. Okay, so we have to find the displacement of block during the first 0.2 seconds. Okay, so what will be there in this question? So for this, I will explain with the help of video. So if you see in the video, see if you have, suppose this is a floor of the lift, this is suppose floor of the lift, and if I keep some object here, if I keep some object, suppose if I keep something like this, if I keep something like this, and if acceleration is less than 10, then object will remain in contact with the hand. If acceleration is less than 10, okay, if acceleration is less than 10, then it will remain in contact with the hand. But if acceleration is more than 10, means very fast acceleration like this, you can see that the object will just lose contact for a moment. My hand will go down and the object will lose contact. So that is the case which is happening because the downward acceleration for the lift is more than the gravitational acceleration. So what will happen that the object will lose contact. The object will lose contact with the surface. The object is kept here. Object is kept here, but the lift is accelerating downward with acceleration more than g. The A is greater than g. It is going down very fast. So this object will be will leave contact with the ground, with the surface, lower surface. This object will lose contact with the lower surface and it will come in air. So now it is in air, so it is falling freely under gravity. So how much it will displace in 0.2 seconds? That we can find very easily. So S equal to half gt square. That's it. It will fall under gravity because it is now not in contact with the surface. It is falling freely. Half into g is 10 into 0.2 square. So how much it will be? 0.2 into 0.2. So 0.2 and divided by 10. So 20 centimeters. So the object will displace by 20 centimeters. So what is the main point to catch here is, since acceleration of this floor part is more than g, the object kept on the floor will lose contact with the floor and they will fall freely under gravity. So we will write half gt square. No need to write this acceleration. This acceleration will not be written. Simply you have to write half gt square.